Yo, welcome back to another trade recap. Today we're going to go over how I blew the account today, and hopefully it's going to go through like a breeze. Alright, so actually we take out all-time high, so my bullish bias was correct today. Okay, so on the daily we've retraced back into this busy 4 hour both assets. We've come back into this rerouting gap right here, and we didn't wait, did we end up, okay, we did end up inversing that. However, we're in a high time frame buy model, right? We have this sell model to buy model. Going to the hourly, we have this change, and we were inside that change in the state. We rejected off of that, swept sell side, made another change in the state, and rejected at 8 a.m. and closed above that. So from there, the 1 hour is bullish. 4 hour, the 4 hour is actually still bearish. And going to the 15 minute, we have this busy, this change in the state. We'll use it as an order block. And yeah, so we've had SMT at these swing lows right here, and off market open we pumped, manipulated this low, changing the state. This could have been a second entry, but obviously I don't trade the seconds chart anymore. Yeah, so confluences for the trade that I took, which was this over here. This long. Oh, it's already there. Okay, so took this long right here, instant stop out, and yeah, that's basically it. We had everything: internal manipulation, changing the state. However, the only thing that I would say that was bad about this trade was that kind of not really the move, but a main draw on liquidity was taken. Okay, my target was these hourly highs are up here, and obviously they weren't that far from market open, so I could target that. Oh wait, actually 167 points. Okay, yeah, they weren't that far. Actually, I would consider that a bit far, but it was in my vicinity, right, for me to take a trade. And yeah, that's basically what I took for the day. What I would say about this trade is maybe it was a little bit impatient. Now, I did, even though there was everything there, we again had taken out this 1 hour SIBI, and yeah, it's kind of basically it. Yeah, we ended up dumping here, sweeping out this low, and then just slowly coming higher to that initial draw on liquidity. No models shown over here, and yeah, blew the account off of that trade. I risked like 370, the remaining of my balance. I think probably I needed to wait for more structure to form, maybe. I'm not sure, because we are just chilling inside the hourly SIBI, so yeah, I need to think about that. But yeah, everything is journaled on TradePath. However, I didn't manage to save my the pictures, so I only managed to get this picture. I didn't click submit, and I accidentally exited the tab. So this was the pre-market session. I managed to clip it and get that. So coming into today, the daily looks pretty bad, very consolidative. On the 4 hour, we still have the market maker buy model. We swept sell side, also inside a daily BISI. And now we've created this change in the state on the 1 hour, and it was respected. We have bullish order flow. Now I'm bleeding bullish. On the 15 minute, we have a market maker model again. So we had a model inside the model. Right here. So here's your market maker sell to buy. I want to see higher. London expanded 30 points and Asia expanded 68 points. This is a more overnight session expansion, so it's possible that today could be a rangy day. And it wasn't really a rangy day. I didn't really expect it to be that much, because obviously it's not above 200 points for the sessions. Well, combined together it is, but the sessions alone didn't move 200 points. So I did expect some sort of expansion, but it is possible that New York could have been a bit rangier. 4 hour price action in general, we are actually bearish and also inside the CIBI, so I'm not sure what to do since the high time frames aren't correlating as much as I'd like. So that, I think, was kind of a bigger play on kind of maybe why I lost, even though I was still bullish. But maybe not actually. I'm not sure. Never mind. Scratch what I said. Yeah. So changing the state, inversion. Hope that is actually 2 points as well. If that isn't, then I'm gonna have to look at my rules. Just gonna something like that. Okay. So. I need to ask my friend what, because he said it was also an impatient trade. But I need to sort of like mechanize that. We had a big expansion, maybe I should have seen more. I don't know, I'm not sure. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed that trade recap. If I go to after ticks, there is no active accounts now because I blew up. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, comment. Peace.